Hey learner, this is Nilesh Borate. So in this video we will discuss how to delete a node by using position in a singly circular linked list. So let's begin. So this is your function. See, function name is that the delete by position. Okay, and this is your the ready linked list start. So here we consider the one linked list. So 4, 5, 6 and the 7. Okay, this is your start. Like array, we assume the position starting from 0. So here enter one position from keyboard. Okay, so first we assume that your position equal to 0. Okay, so that is we delete a first node in a linked list. So see here, by using this for loop we find the position in that given linked list. So here for I equal to 0, so this is your I. Peter equal to start, then prev equal to start. Okay, so this is the initialization statement. Then condition is that Peter of next is not equal to start, true, and I is not equal to position, I is that the 0, 0 is not equal to 0, false. Okay, so here we break this loop going to next. So next is that the if. Okay, so see here I is equal to position, so here we match I and the position. Okay, so going to if. So if there is one more if, see here ptr is equal to start. See here your ptr and the start both pointing to the same node, that is meaning is that delete the first node. So this is okay, and else part means that delete other nodes. Other means that except first. Okay, so going to if. So by using this for loop we find the last node of a current linked list. So see here p equal to start, so this is your p. Then condition is that p of next is not equal to start. See here p of next is not equal to start, true. Going to here for loop have a semicolon. Okay, so going to next. So now p is here. Again check p of next is not equal to start, true. Going to next. P of next is not equal to start, true. Going to next. P of next is not equal to start, false. So here we break this loop. Okay, so this is your p. So next line is that start equal to start of next. So start is going to next. Here is the start. Then p of next equal to start. So this is your p of next. Okay, so p of next is connected to the new start here. Then ptr of next equal to null. So this is your ptr. So remove this linking and assign the address is the null and free ptr. So here we remove this node in a linked list. Okay, so this is your returning linked list 5, 6, 7. So like this way we delete first node in a linked list by using position. Now we will see that how to remove a node in between a linked list. Okay, so first we erase this thing. Okay, now we assume that your position is that the 2. So by using this for loop we find the ptr. So see here I equal to 0, so this is your I. Okay, this is your start, this is your ptr, this is your prev. Then ptr of next is not equal to start, true, and the data is that the position is that I is not equal to position, so position is that the 0 is not equal to 2, true. Okay, so going to here prev equal to ptr, okay, which is already pointing, then ptr equal to ptr of next, so ptr is going to next, and I plus plus, so here is I. Then again condition ptr of next is not equal to start, true, and I is not equal to positions. Here 1 is not equal to 2, true. Going to incremental part, so this is prev equal to ptr and the ptr equal to ptr of next, this is ptr. Then I plus plus, here is I. Okay, then again condition ptr of next is not equal to start, true, and the I is not equal to position. See here, I is that the 2 and the position is that the 2. Okay, so here we break this loop and going to if. See here, in if I is equal to position, true. Okay, then there is one more if, ptr is equal to start, no. Now ptr and the start both pointing the different node, so going to else. See here, this is else code. So prev of next equal to ptr of next. So this is your prev, this is your ptr. So prev of next is pointing to the ptr of next. Then ptr of next is equal to null. So this is your ptr. We remove this link and assign to the null and the free ptr. Okay, so we remove the ptr node. Okay, so see, your linked list is that 4, 5, 7. Like this way we delete a node in between a singly circular linked list. If you enter some invalid position like the 11, 12 or the 7, 8. Okay, so here we not matching the I and the position values, it is directly going to this else part, position not found. Okay, so here we return this start linked list. So now we test this code. So going to program mode. So here we open this previous program. Okay, so this is your cases. So here we uncomment these two cases, case number 8 and 9, delete by position and delete by value. Okay, so in this video we will just discuss the delete by position. Okay, on next video we will uncomment this case number 9. So here delete by position, pass here the start. So here we define one function, node star delete by position. Okay, so this is your ready linked list. So here we declare some variables. So here we assume one ptr, then prev, then one more p. Declare position and the I. So printf enter position. Comma and I. Then by using for loop, I equal to 0, ptr equal to start, prev equal to start. So condition is that ptr of next is not equal to start and I is not equal to position. Then prev equal to ptr, ptr equal to ptr of next and the I plus plus. Here we check if I is equal to position, then we delete the node, otherwise printf invalid position, and here we return this start linked list. So if I is equal to position, again one more if, ptr is equal to start. So check here, your deleted node is the first node. If it is, then find the last node by using the p variable, p equal to start, then p of next is not equal to start, p equal to p of next, then start equal to start of next, then p of next is assigned to new start, then ptr of next is equal to null, then free ptr. Same here, if your deleted node is in between, so prev of next is equal to ptr of next, then ptr of next is assigned to the null, then free ptr. Okay, so we test this code. So compile. So now we compile this code and run again. Okay, so first we create the linked list. How many nodes? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we display the linked list. Now my choice is that the 2. See here, this is your linked list 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now we enter the choice is that 8, delete by position. So first we enter the position 0. Okay. So see here again choice is 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5. So test this code. What is actually problem? So going to program. Delete by position. So here scanf. In scanf we accept the position from keyboard. Okay, so again compile, run, create 5 nodes 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, display 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So enter, delete by position, choice is 8. So first we delete first node, so position is that 0. See here 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, again delete by position. Now we enter 0, 1, 2. Okay, 0, 1, 2 means we delete the node 7. So here we enter the position 2. Again display 5, 6, 8, 5. Okay, so like this way we delete a node in a singly circular linked list. So students, try this code on your machine. On next video we will see that how to delete a node by using a value. So till, if you have any queries, then comment on our query in comment box. Like and subscribe the channel. See you on next video. Thank you.